Everything about you sold. Everything about you sold. Everything about you sold. Everything about you. Everything about you sold. Everything about you sold.
With Lash Crave
and Wandalee Sanchez with Mas Bella Makeup Artistry.
We are so excited! I'm going to be hosting a makeup class at Lash Crave in Pinellas Park.
And you're going to be able to create this beautiful look that we were able to do today. It's a natural glam, your everyday look with your own product. So all you need is to get here, get trained, and buy the best, and bring your own products. You already have a skill that you can develop, and we can't wait to see what you're gonna do with it.
So see you guys soon.
Bye.